We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock, and the stock has dipped but trying to explode to the upside, and we do have some very interesting things to break down. And it wasn't the only stock trying to go higher today. The overall market did as well, and the SPY did. And our SPY bot at 11:25 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up 50 to 90% plus within minutes, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve over the volatility in the charts and markets, guys. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Aterian stock, very interesting stock movement today, dipping and ripping, and we're gonna break it all down in different time frames. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular, beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was NUTX. We caught this one early on in the pre-market before it started to run. It was sitting sideways, got that bull indicator, and jumped up nearly 10% plus, pulled back down towards the bell, had a small 5 to 10% run, pulled back down again, shifted into strength from the dip into the rip, and then it got that bull indicator and gave a highest point of 20% plus, guys, within minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, once again, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian continuing to try to push up higher. As I started the video, this bar was pretty small, and it was the first time this bar had just started, and it's continuing to push up, and it's larger than the previous one, trying to continue the trend to the upside, right? So we got some levels to talk about here, because even though it dipped down, it found support at a very interesting point and bounced off of it with strength so far, and we need to look at ultimate 42 vision to see if this momentum can continue, right, on the larger time frames and on the 30-minute. And we're going to break down the supports and resistance that I'm watching. So let's go ahead and pull up ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way, so you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources as well, and join the members using them to maximize within the volatility by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Aterian stock is here trying to push higher, but it is under a bear indicator. So this is a very interesting move here on the 30-minute, because if this continues and this bear indicator holds true and does not get canceled out by a bull indicator, right? We want one of these bull indicators in this move as it's going higher. Well, then this bear indicator has met a specific level within the charts that if it does pull back, it may go into further weakness, especially if it retests the support levels that it bounced off of, and it needed to bounce off to have some strength as we see it. But now on the 30-minute, it is under a bear indicator. It's going to be significant to see if this continues and a bull indicator pops up. But on the 15-minute, it already got a bull indicator, and on the 5-minute, Same thing since this morning down here at 496, and it went to highs so far of 545. If you do the math, that's nearly a 10 to 15% plus move. Now, also, when you look at the 15-minute based off 42 vision, white with red borders is the dip area, then comes red with green, and then you get the dark green and the bright green. That's a full transition to the upside, and that bull indicator is an extra layer of confirmation. So if this does not hold up with strength and a continuation of bright green like we saw here, well then things could try to transition back down, and we'll need to watch carefully if it shifts over to bright green with red borders, dark green with red borders, and then into white with red borders again, which is the dip area. That's the whole point of 42 vision, right? The bull and bear indicators are extra layers of confirmation, and the white with red borders lets us see that that may be a dip area. And as you see right here, that was the dip area. I went a little bit below that, but that was the area of accumulation before taking off with strength, and it got that bull indicator there, and things continued. So right now we just hit a dip area here today, and you can see the momentum so far of 10 to 15% plus. Now, if we go to larger time frames though, like the 4-hour, you could see that things have slightly pulled back today in the pre-market and then bounce back up to dark green. Now, we still are under a bear indicator since way up here at $5.75, even though it came back up to those levels. No bull indicator has popped up yet, but these transitions are trying to pull up higher and pull away from the lows that it recently hit in the 420s and 430s. Now, if we put the 1 day though, things are still under a bull indicator and quickly shifted to a bright green from being under dark green with red borders, but now no longer bright green. I stated in yesterday's video, we need to see these bars go higher and have those wicks to the upside like it did right here as we see it. So this could be a pause or a moment of volatility before the next leg up. But if this transitions right back down and doesn't continue with those bright greens or dark greens to the upside, but it goes right back down towards dark green with red borders or even a red bar, we could see a bear indicator eventually pop up that can cancel out this bull indicator. But if it doesn't transition back down, even if it consolidates and no red bars pop up, no bear indicator, this bull indicator could continue to hold true as it did here in this pullback and as it's trying to go back up again. So right now, things are pretty volatile, but on the bigger picture, we have a bull indicator. On the 4-hour, there is a bear indicator within a little bit more volatility. So we do want a bull indicator to pop up here and cancel this out. And on the 30-minute, it is under a bull indicator that just popped up today at around $5.10 based off the 15-minute. And on the 30-minute, it has still not popped up. So if this continues, there could be a possibility of a bull indicator popping up. If not, this bear indicator may dominate over the chart, and this could try to retest the support levels down here and break through them and continue to dominate over the chart. So this is going to be very important to watch 42 vision going into tomorrow and even the rest of this week. So the first thing is the support, right? 486, which it actually used today as a support, even though it broke through it a little bit to 475. 486, 487 has been a key support level, and from that moment forward is where things reversed and came with strength. This is why support and resistance levels are important, but also seeing the transitions to see the fake outs and the breakouts with 42 vision. So that's the first thing I'm looking at, those support levels there. 475 today's low, 486, 487. If both of those get broken through, the next one would be down here at the 430s. Now, to the upside though, we want to see this continue this momentum and break above yesterday's highs of 577 and most importantly, $6. We want to see this get it back above $6. There could be some shorts that can get squeezed out of their positions the higher this goes, and even some of the shorts that started shorting up here at the $6 range when it started pulling back from way up here in the 7s. So that's going to be very interesting going into tomorrow, the rest of this week. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. And what do you think is going on here? Is this going to be a fake out, or is there going to be a bull indicator here on the 30-minute that can continue to push this up even further into tomorrow's trading day. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make